Hello viewers, welcome to IP Service Learn IT Tips and Troubleshooting. Today I am showing how to change gender on Facebook 2025. Let's start. First of all, click your profile icon left side at the corner, then click about, then click contact and basic info. Scroll down, going gender section, click edit button. Now we can see male, female, non-binary and more option. You can select normally male or female or more options. Click and look many more options for select your gender. I can select just sense purpose, click female, then save. Now my Facebook profile gender has been changed. Thank you for watching. Keep watching for more tips and subscribe us.